Hello friends, welcome to our channel Easy Shorts of Learning. This video is about profit volume ratio in marginal costing. Now, how the profit volume ratio is calculated in different situations. Profit volume ratio shows the relationship between contribution and sales. Now, how the contribution is calculated? For this, we have to prepare marginal cost statement. When we prepare marginal cost statement, first we have to take sales. From sales, we have to subtract variable cost. Variable cost is the cost which is associated with production. When the production increases, variable cost is also increased, and when the production decreases, variable cost is also decreases. For example, material and labor are the examples of variable cost. When we deduct variable cost from sales, we get contribution, and contribution is the combination of fixed cost plus profit. So when we deduct fixed cost from contribution, we get profit in marginal costing. So to calculate contribution, we use two formula. Number one is contribution equals to sales minus variable cost, and number two is contribution is the combination of fixed cost plus profit. Now we take some cases to understand how the profit volume ratio is calculated in different situations. So our case number one is where selling price per unit is rupees 20 and variable cost per unit is rupees 15. So in this situation, first we have to find out contribution, and contribution is sales minus variable cost. Here selling price per unit is rupees 20, variable cost per unit is 15. So our contribution is rupees 5 per unit. And to calculate profit volume ratio, we use the standard formula, that is contribution upon sales into 100. Here the contribution is rupees 5, selling price per unit is rupees 20 into 100. So our profit volume ratio is 25%, which is option number C. In second case, instead of sales and variable cost, here sales and profit of two different periods are given. In 2019, our sales is 1 lakh, which is increased to 2 lakh rupees, that is increased by 1 lakh, and our profit is increased from 2019 to 2020 by 20,000 rupees. So when the profit and sales of two different periods are given, then in place of contribution upon sales into 100, we use PV ratio formula, which is change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So here profit is changed by 20,000 rupees and sales is changed by 1 lakh. So our PV ratio here is 20%, which is option number B. Now in next case, in place of sales and profit, here cost is given. So to find out profit, we have to deduct cost from sales. So in 2019, our profit is 1 lakh rupees, and in 2020, after deducting cost, our profit is 2 lakh rupees. So our profit is changed by 1 lakh and sales is changed by 2 lakh rupees. So when we put this value in our formula to calculate PV ratio, which is change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So here the profit is changed by 1 lakh rupees and sales is changed by 2 lakh rupees into 100. So our PV ratio here is 50%, which is option number C. In next case, we have to find out profit volume ratio with the help of marginal cost. Marginal cost and variable cost are one and the same thing, and contribution here is rupees 8 per unit. Now the standard formula to calculate PV ratio is contribution upon sales into 100. So to find out contribution, we use formula sales minus variable cost. But here we have only contribution is given. So we put rupees 8 in place of contribution. Sales we have to find out, and variable cost is rupees 12. When we transfer these values, we get sales, that is rupees 12 plus 8 equals to selling price per unit is rupees 20. When we put these values in our formula to find out PV ratio, here the contribution is rupees 8, selling price per unit is rupees 20 into 100. So our PV ratio here is, in case where the marginal cost and contribution is given, our PV ratio is 40%, which is option number C. In next case, fixed cost is given, which is 40,000, profit is 10,000, and sales is 1 lakh rupees. Now how we calculate PV ratio in this situation? Our formula to calculate contribution is sales minus variable cost equals to contribution, and second formula is contribution is the combination of fixed cost plus profit. Now with the help of this formula, we get contribution. So our fixed cost is 40,000 rupees and profit is 10,000. So our contribution here is 50,000 rupees. Now we use the standard formula to calculate PV ratio, which is contribution upon sales into 100. Here our contribution is 50,000, sales is 1 lakh rupees into 100. So our PV ratio here is 50%, which is option number C. 50% is our profit volume ratio. In case 6, in place of other information, here break even point is given in rupees, that is 80,000 rupees, and fixed cost is 20,000. Now how we calculate profit volume ratio here? Here we calculate PV ratio with the help of break even point. When we calculate break even point in rupees, our formula is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. When we put these values in this formula, our break even point is 80,000, fixed cost is 20,000, and the missing value is profit volume ratio. When we transfer this here and 80,000 in denominator, we get profit volume ratio equals to 20,000 divided by 80,000, and PV ratio is always in percentage, so we multiply numerator with 100. So our profit volume ratio here is, in case of 6 where break even point and fixed cost is given, our profit volume ratio is 25%, which is option number B. In next case, in place of break even point, margin of safety is given, which is 50,000 rupees, and profit is given, that is 25,000 rupees. So when we put formula of margin of safety in rupees, our formula is profit divided by PV ratio. When we put the value in this formula, our margin of safety is 50,000 rupees, profit is 25,000 divided by PV ratio. When we transfer this value here and profit volume ratio here, so PV ratio is 25,000 divided by 50,000 into 100. So our profit volume ratio is 50%, which is option number A. Now in next situation, margin of safety is 40%, and margin of safety is that level of sales where the company earning only profit. So here the sales is 40,000, and when we calculate margin of safety in rupees, so our sales is 40,000 and 40% of sales is margin of safety. So our margin of safety in rupees is 16,000 rupees. when we put formula to calculate margin of safety in rupees, our formula is profit divided by PV ratio. When we put these values here, our margin of safety is 16,000, profit is 4,000 divided by PV ratio. When we transfer this, our profit volume ratio here is 4,000 divided by 16,000 into 100. So our profit volume ratio is here is 25%, which is option number B. Now in next situation, marginal cost or variable cost to sales ratio is 60%, and when this ratio of variable cost or marginal cost is given, then to calculate profit volume ratio we use the formula that is 1 minus marginal cost ratio. When we put here the value 1 minus 0.60, that is marginal cost ratio, our PV ratio is 0.40 or 40%, which is option number B. In next situation, we have margin of safety 10,000 rupees, fixed cost 20,000, and actual sales is 60,000 rupees. Margin of safety is calculated, margin of safety is calculated with the help of actual sales minus break-even point sales. Now, when we calculate margin of safety with this formula, here margin of safety is 10,000, actual sales 60,000, and the missing value is break-even point. When we calculate break-even point here, our break-even point is 60,000 minus 10,000 equals to 50,000 is our break-even point. When we put this value in our break-even point formula, which is calculated with the help of fixed cost divided by PV ratio, here the break-even point is 50,000, our fixed cost is 20,000 rupees, and PV ratio which we have to find out, then our profit volume ratio here is 20,000 divided by 50,000 into 100. So our profit volume ratio here is 40%, which is option number D. So in this video, we calculated PV ratio in different situations. So friends, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Thank you so much.